Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited that you're here today. If you're new, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back and supporting me. As you can see, we're starting out here and I am sorting laundry. I'm a little bit behind on laundry because I have been so busy this week and we are getting ready to leave the next day for vacation, so I am trying to get this laundry done so I can get everything packed up and ready to go. And also in this video, I wanted to get all my summer decor packed up because when I get back, I want to do some fall decor and I'm super excited about that. So stay tuned for those videos later in the month. But yeah, I just had a lot of things to do. I had been out working all day, and so as you can see here, it's nighttime. And so I started in the evening time late and then worked the next morning when I got up. So that's why it's like nighttime and then daytime too. Anyway, all right, let's get started. I hope y'all enjoy this video.
Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby.
I was gonna let you know about a new cleaning product that I found that I love. It is so good. It is the Everspring multi-surface cleaner. This stuff smells so good. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's like citrus and basil or something like that. It's citrus something, but it smells so good and it works really well. And I got it at Target. So, and it's less than $3 for a huge bottle of it. So if you get a chance, go try that out. I'm starting to pack up my summer decor because it is September now. I've told y'all several times before that it's really hard to decorate for fall in Arkansas because it's so hot and humid. It really doesn't get cool here until around the end of November. But I do have a collaboration coming up, and it's my very first collaboration. I'm so excited, with several girls, and I'll be decorating my front porch for fall. So look out for that. I think it's on September 10th is when we're doing it. So be looking out for that. And then when I get back from vacation, I will be dragging all the fall decor out of the attic and getting started decorating. So y'all be on the lookout for those videos.
Oh, baby, 'cause I love you, yeah, 'cause I love you, yeah. Is it just me staring in the mirror?
Can y'all believe this lazy sack of taters cat? My lord, he won't even move when I'm trying to make up the bed. If you watch him, he like digs in when I move the comforter. He's like, I'm not moving, so lady, you need to stop. It's so funny. But he knows we're leaving, and he always is super clingy, and he wants to be like right there beside of me. And then he went and climbed in my suitcase while I was trying to pack and was like, you're not going anywhere. But he's just acting like a fool. Okay, it is time to buckle down and get all this laundry folded and hung up, and that way I can pack and head out the door. I'm hating folding it. I just want to be done so that I can get gone, but you know, it's got to be done, and I don't want to come back to a messy house because there's nothing worse. So if you're needing laundry motivation or folding and hanging up motivation, here it is.
Save me from
super excited because now it's time to pack up and go on vacation. I really hope that y'all enjoy this video. If you did, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button and turn the bell on because I have lots of fall decor coming up and you do not want to miss it. I will see y'all next time. Bye.